Hey, I'm going to explain about my file classes and files here. Before that, just let me check my service. Yeah, it's connected. Okay. Here I use the scene builder to create main design, and the rest they are the classes to control my design. Like here, my dashboard fxml and the class named design board controller Java is to control dashboard backend. For me, it was the easy way to create the interface, but I do know each code what it does, and I can edit or change what I want. Now, I'm going to start about the coding. In it, my main file is attraction analyzer, and it does not do much. Just it is creating scene. When it loads the main starting screen, and that's all to control it. I have fxml, which one here? Sorry, this one. So from here, the actual work is starting. In it, I have like three variables here: the labor, anchor panel, and the button. Let me show you this one. So here I put the mouse action event to load and create a new screen. When we press the button from here, um, just new stage creating sorry, new stage creating a new stage. But here I used fxml design, so it works on scenes. But I learned simple Java design works on pan. For me, they are similar. Did not find any big difference, but still. So after creating new scene and call the loader to launch, it will go open dashboard file, which is our actual explorer. Let me show you the screen, like this one. So after loading, dashboard design is done. It goes into controller class, this one. So the control goes into its dashboard controller dot class. Yeah, this one. Yeah. So here we have our buttons and text fields and tables, like column tables here. And oh, here one important thing I used one extra class for loading data from my databases called viewhelper, because in it I required some fields, so this class used to create all the variables from them with the constructor. So when we call the variables, they will set all the values in them, like URL names. uh, it will set all the data in it, and further I have only getters in it to get all the required information. Let's get back to the dashboard controller. Yeah, one here, this function used for building connection with databases, this one. And next here I use two things: observer list to load all uh, required data in. Let me show you this one, all the data. So I'm loading data from databases, for that when it comes on observe list, it will call the connection functions, and it will return connection variable. Here it did the query, so what is in databases it will fetch from it, and here making statement, and the data I got it put into observation list. Yeah, and here all the work starting from the initializer. Let me show you this one. So whenever this scene goes to load, it will call the show record, and what show record do is it calls observe list. So after it creates a list and just put all the data I mean, it shows all the UI post data. So, same like I have three text field which are working on search boxes, and all they have different functions. Like I have here name search query in observable list. I mean, I have here all different observation list available and have used just above my overall data. Furthermore, I put the function in every key press, like whenever user press any key letter in search field, it will detect in which field search field the key has been pressed. Like if you user type search query in names, it will go in get name record list and and change display data with each character match. Okay, here after after match, it goes in a show record, and when it goes in show record, it will just call and through each character, and here it comes to get record list, and I put a query on it to call again and again for search. Here the rest work is all similar. uh, Same again, here I'm building a connection to make the statement and executing it and storing the results, uh, storing the results here, 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 all in the tags, like a region, counties, and address. Rest three of the fact files are working almost similar, just I put different fields. Let me show you the fields, and their listeners are different and separate, and also the functions are different in scene of observation search. Keywords, lists. The main thing is all the results are showing in one place here, and these are my calculations for my facts. Let's go to the fact one here. Oh, sorry, that one controller here. So in my fact controller class, I have bar chart and its name, then x and y axis, and uh, and also I have like a separate connection. All right. So so okay. Here showing six results. I mean, I have like six queries, um, six statements, and six results. So I put the functions in every key press. Like whenever user press key letter in search field, it will detect um, in which field insert field key has been pressed. Like if user types search query in name, it will go to records, as I already mentioned previous. So and here all and here executing each statement and saving the results in results like 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now here I wanted to pass the data into the chart. So here passing the list which I made up there and passing their results to XY chart. And just because of it's not the hard coded, it will change database in real time as well. So let's go to the fact. Fact 2 is like a little bit different. It's not too much, but just a little bit. Cause in the one I use the pie chart and sorry, bar chart, and this one is having a pie chart. That's all the difference in them. And also it is based on the results of Dublin, like counties, not the counties. I just mixing up. It's just like a different queries. That's all. And same like for the fact 3 is different queries. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.